Let's be real. There's nothing worse than spending ages perfecting your lipstick, carefully lining your lips, choosing the perfect shade, only to have it crack, feather, bleed into fine lines around your mouth, or completely disappear before lunch. It's a universal makeup frustration, and we've all been there. But here's the thing, it's not always about the lipstick formula itself. While a good quality lipstick definitely helps, it's about what you do, you even swipe it on. The secret to a flawless lipstick application lies in the preparation. So today, I'm spilling my go-to lip prep routine for the perfect, long-lasting pout. A pout that stays put and looks amazing, no matter what your day throws at you. From morning coffee to evening cocktails, your lipstick will be on point. First up, exfoliation. Seriously, you absolutely cannot skip this crucial step. I grab a gentle lip scrub. Sugar-based ones are my fave because they're effective yet gentle. Or if I'm really in a rush and don't have time for a dedicated scrub, I'll just use a damp washcloth. Gently buff away any dry, flaky skin in small, little circles. Be gentle, no need to scrub too hard. You'll be shocked and amazed at how much smoother and softer your lips feel instantly. It's like magic. Next up, hydration is key. Dry, flaky, chapped lips are lipstick's absolute worst enemy. They'll ruin even the most expensive lipstick. So immediately after exfoliating, I generously layer on a nourishing and hydrating lip balm. I let it soak in and work its magic while I do the rest of my makeup, like my foundation, concealer, and eyeshadow. So my lips have ample time to really drink it up and become plump and moisturized. If you want a real pro tip, especially before a big event or special occasion, try applying a lip mask overnight for that extra boost of hydration and plumpness. You'll wake up with incredibly soft and supple lips. Now here's a step that a lot of people tend to miss or overlook, blotting off any excess lip balm. Simply dab your lips gently with a clean tissue to remove any extra product that hasn't fully absorbed. If your lips are too slippery from the balm, your lipstick will slide right off, creating a messy and uneven application, and nobody wants that. Now, ready for the real magic and the secret weapon for long-lasting color? It's lip liner. This isn't just about dramatically overlining your lips to change your lip shape or create a fuller pout. While lip liner be used for that, it has other amazing benefits. Lip liner acts as a protective barrier, preventing your lipstick from feathering into those fine lines around your mouth and significantly helping the color last longer throughout the day. It's like a primer for your lipstick. I carefully outline my lips, following my natural lip line, and then gently feather the liner inwards a bit so there's no harsh, obvious line once I apply my lipstick. This creates a seamless and natural look. Finally, it's time for the main event that we've all been waiting for, applying your lipstick. Apply your favorite shade directly from the bullet for a quick and easy application, or use a lip brush for more precision and control, especially when working with bold or dark colors. If you really want that extra staying power and vibrant color that lasts for hours, blot your lips once gently with a tissue to remove excess product, and then reapply a thin second layer of lipstick. This technique really locks in the color. And that's it. See? Easy, right? It might seem like a few extra steps, but trust me, it's worth it. A little bit of prep work makes all the difference in the world between lipstick that's completely gone by your morning coffee and a gorgeous, vibrant pout that lasts flawlessly through dinner and beyond. So next time you're reaching for your favorite lipstick shade, remember this simple yet effective routine, because perfect, kissable lips truly start you even apply the lipstick. You and your beautiful lips absolutely deserve it. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and informative, and please let me know your own favorite lip prep products and tips down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.